Welcome back to the channel. We're fixing a Subaru today.
Yep.
Putting in a water pump. Hopefully. Hopefully everything goes well. I don't know.
We'll see.
This is gonna ruin us, I know it.
I didn't know they have to be in the bed.
It's got some heat under here, bud. Okay. One. Oh. There's really not that many bolts.
Okay, both wrong plug. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to take this top right here as a hose off. Hose off. Yeah. See what you mean. No big deal. Okay, so this one. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, I guess it goes that way, yeah.
You want to explain a little bit what you're doing?
We're changing a water pump, sir.
Okay.
And we got a lot of shit to take apart.
Yep. Yes, we do.
And hot.
Yeah, we just got here. We were just gonna take off simple shit, but apparently it's got no water left in it, so everything's just kind of hot. Oh yeah, it's more than enough room, but
oh fuck, that's hot. It's so close. There we go.
nice. Shit we have off already.
We're gonna need a bucket because I don't want to get in shit to get this water.
Yeah.
Okay. This is next.
Oh. Dude, what'd you do?
You fucked it. Barely watched me do it. I barely even tried.
You fucked it.
How?
Fucked her.
I'm going the right way. What the fuck?
So it's just taking off all the accessories now, such as like the alternator, AC pump probably can stay. I'm assuming. Luckily, this one has the tensionable belt, because the newer ones, they got rid of the tensioner. It was just
Oh yeah. Press fit.
yeah, like whatever. It like goes under one set tension and that's it. This is a little bitch there. Probably just spit. Maybe not.
I like how it's all fucking tense so far.
Yeah, it's
Sick.
Subi, but
Easy to work on. A lot of people saying these things are a pain in the ass.
they are kind of a pain in the ass, considering you have to take the timing belt off to replace the water pump. It's just design. Bad design. That's all.
We're gonna have to replace this timing belt very soon.
That's okay. We'll know how to do it easy. Bit more.
What the hell is that?
Rust.
Okay, that's a 12.
Excuse me.
No, I don't want to break this. It looks like it just has to come off.
Do I look like the type of guy that gives a fuck about the protectors? Well. Some good Subi metal.
Chinese metal.
Nice work.
You try it. It's your car.
I felt it move. Damn it. We need to loosen more. What? It's not really moving much.
Yeah, there it is.
One belt. Sure.
Okay. What's next?
Next is this here. That same thing, but up here. To get that idler up, and then we can get that secondary belt off.
This is gonna come off. No, not
No.
necessarily. Okay, so this fucking cunt.
Extensions.
This is fucking cunt. Questions? Probably does.
Yeah. Loosen it, and then start going at it again. Feel better?
Sure.
Yeah, that tiny belt there.
She looks pretty fucked.
She's had some better days, but
Yeah, if that breaks, your engine goes bye-bye.
oh no.
All right, so we're gonna pull some stupid.
I've seen this on the internet.
Yeah, I've seen everything on the
It
internet.
worked. Why would you try, right?
Quick. Yeah. 4. There.
Did it work?
Yeah.
I love it. That lifted the car quite a bit in there. I felt it. I was like, holy shit. Oh yeah. Like nothing, bud. Oh Jesus. What a hell of an idea. I'm impressed. I thought we'd be fighting with this fucking thing for a while. Show them what I'm taking off. This is a freaking crankshaft pulley.
We didn't even. Oh shit.
That was a cinch, bud.
All right, we're getting this off. We'll be back.
Oh, we better turn this shit off before we get in trouble. Copyright strike. So we got the cover off. We've marked. Okay. Now he's taking off the tensioner.
Put this together, please.
Tensioner. And that one, yep. And then that belt can come clean off. Do you want the man to do it?
I am a man that's showing it fucking wreck it. It's not my car.
Fucking thing. This is how a man does it.
It's not my car.
Oh, so we got the old pump out already. Old pump's out. Now we're putting in the new pump. It didn't have any RTV or anything on it.
So we're not putting our.
So we're not gonna put any on.
Well, we don't have 24 hours to wait, so kind of got to go home with this, dude. Unless it leaks in, well, no, I don't think it will. There's no RTV on to begin with.
So these are supposed to be at 9 foot-pounds.
So you know what that means? I'll get Douglas.
Whoa.
Hi.
This is just fucked up. It's dirt and mud now.
You don't have to worry about that.
What a good shirt's for, right?
Yeah. It's true. Take one for the team, man.
9 foot pounds, huh?
Just tighten them up, snug them all up first, and then do the 9 pounds, dude. But do them in a crisscross pattern.
Got the belt on. It was a pain in the ass, but we got it. Got the timing right. Let's have a look, see. Belt's on there, nice.
It might be advanced a bit, but that's what started.
This is just to prove.
Just to prove that the timing was good.
Right.
It doesn't backfire no more.
Fixed it. So now we just got to get the timing cover back on.
You got to
get everything put back together, basically, and then we're good to go. Get some coolant in it. Hope the bitch don't leak. Well, I got it in. Still overheats. More money wasted. It's got to be a head gasket. It's the last thing on the list. Guess we'll see how it goes from here. Might just get a new motor, but I don't know.
I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean. Gonna make an ugly scene. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm gonna pick my